Dang. I'm nervous. Yeah, here we are. I it's crazy that I'm here, but I have my first official attempt tomorrow. So I figured I would get an unofficial one done first just so I kind of am in a groove. I'm really going to try and make sure this is the right scramble. Alright, brothers, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to memorize these ones first, the plus centers. Holy crap. Here we go, guys. After 1 hour of memorizing, we are going for it. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Three, two, one, boom. Q. Okay. Nope. What? What? Are you kidding me? Holy crap! Dude, I did it! I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Holy crap. Oh, my body's going numb. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, what? Are you kidding me? Dude, my whole body is like tingling like crazy. Oh. Oh. Dude. I can't breathe, dude. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I need to sit down. I'm about to pass out. I'm actually about to pass out. Oh. I've never felt this before. I am shaking so bad. I think I am about to pass out. Dude, I don't have words to explain the feeling I'm feeling right now. I will 100%. 100% upload this. Holy crap. I need a minute, guys. I just need a minute. I can't believe I got it first try. There's no way. Go get Souls Cube Blindfolded. I will highlight the whole thing. What on earth? I just have to do it officially now. And then it's over. And it's over, dude. I can be done with Big Blind. I can go for a 4-blind main, I guess, but first attempt, man. Dude, I played it so safe. I cannot believe it. I'm shaking so bad. I don't know if you can tell, but like my whole body, I feel like a tingly just like in my whole body right now. Like when you like sleep on your arm, I feel that throughout my whole body. I've never felt this before. It's starting to go away now though. Holy crap. Okay, the tingly's almost gone. I'm just like shaky now. It's taking you 24? Holy crap. Who's done it on their first try? Oh yeah. Watch the clip. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't realize I changed instances. Hold up. Holy crap, it's solved. Dang it, I wish I got the full thing. It was so... I screamed no freaking way. Because no freaking way, I just did that. What did I do to the scramble up top? Oh my gosh. Wow. How about I tell you guys the memo so I can calm down and have it in the VOD?